How to fix call history missing on Messenger. With the latest version of Messenger, they have removed the call history for the application. So if we then navigate through the Messenger application right here, as you can go ahead and see below our screen, there are no call history anymore. But there is a solution for this in order for you to know your recent call history. Now this is extremely simple. You want to navigate through your home screen right here, and once inside, you can just go ahead and click on the phone application. Inside phone, as you can go ahead and see, you want to click on recents, and inside recents we then have the complete list of our call history. Now this call history will also include the Messenger call. For this one, I have this specific person right here, and as you can go ahead and see, we have the Messenger audio, and just beside that we have the time of this specific call. And so guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.